Hi, I found these two small squirrels playing inside the forest on a warm May afternoon. Life is good now for animals after long winter, and it's time to enjoy the simple pleasures of life that spring brings. Let's take a moment to look at them. Did you see it? There is third one hiding in the tree. Did you break that in order to get to the food? This one is shy. Once they get used to you, they go on with their day. Some of them even follow you out of curiosity. Time to let them go on with their day. Thank you for watching.